everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you how to make Rice Krispie treats. Alright, so what you need is a 9x13 pan, some cooking spray, a mixing utensil, a microwave safe bowl, or mixing bowl, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup measuring cup, 10 ounces of jet puffed marshmallows, Rice Krispies, of course, and a large bowl. Always remember to wash your hands. For our first step, we need to cut 3 tablespoons off of our butter. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in our microwave safe bowl. Now, we're going to put it in the microwave for about 1 minute. Now, while that's microwaving, we can get 6 cups of Rice Krispies out, put them in our large bowl. Now that we've poured our 6 cups of Rice Krispies in our large bowl, we have poured in our 10 ounces of marshmallows, and now what we do is we mix just a little bit, So yeah, we put our marshmallows in our microwave safe bowl, which our butter is in. Now we will put our microwave safe bowl back in the microwave and microwave it for about 2 minutes. And continue checking on it just to make sure that it's not boiling or anything. Now that we've microwaved our marshmallows and our butter, we can stir it together to make sure that it's smooth and it's not clumpy. And you want to keep mixing it. You want to keep mixing it until it's very smooth and it looks like this. Now that we've mixed all of our marshmallows together, we need to pour the marshmallows into the Rice Krispie bowl. Now, you might need to have some adult supervision when getting all of the marshmallows out of the bowl, just because it's very sticky and very hard to get all of it out. Now that we've mixed all of the marshmallows and the Rice Krispies together, we will pour them into our 9x13 pan. So first, you need to shake this a little bit, and then you need to spray, just to make sure that the Rice Krispies don't get stuck on the pan. Now I'm going to put some butter on my hands so the Rice Krispies don't stick to my hands too much. So now, with this butter on your hands, you pat down the Rice Krispies into the pan until you fill in all the corners and the edges that aren't filled in yet. Now that you are done patting your Rice Krispies down into the pan, you are finished. Now you just need to let it cool for about 15 minutes and then you can dig in. See you later, guys.